Hello everyone, today I am talk about top 4 best portable blender. These all are available on the Amazon that all you want for your kitchen for your trave and while you are in office, so guys see them. Number 4. Pop Baby's Personal Blender. Blend and Go Portable Blender. Blend and drink from the 14 ounces jar wherever you would like. Compact design personal blender. The petite size makes it the perfect blender for home, office, or travel. Unique function and gift. Blending while charging, safe and versatile smoothie blender. Dishwasher safe to-go cups, food grade material, perfect for shake and smoothies, protein shaker, baby food etc. Safe and versatile smoothie blender. Dishwasher safe to-go cups, food grade material, perfect for shake and smoothies, protein shaker, baby food etc. Number 3. Ordergo USB Juicer Cup. The Ordergo 4th generation portable blender release in 2017 and make by high quality ABS and PP, stainless steel materials, FDA approved and BPA free. It's very safety and perfect for blending baby food, fruit and any soft food in seconds. Bring people more convenient life, good for traveling, sport and on the go using, easy to clean and store. Portable blender specs liquid capacity 420 milliliters weight 1.85 pounds blaze 305 stainless steel blaze RPM 22,000 if portable blender is empty 16,000 if blending working current 12A battery capacity 2x 2000 mAh 7.4 V. Number 2, USB Juicer Cup by Buado. Safety and food grade material. The juicer cup is made of food grade non-toxic and eco-friendly PP and ABS material PA-free. You can enjoy fresh nutrient retention and wonderful leisure time. Blade update for superb mixing. The updated version personal blender with 6 blades in 3D for superb mixing which can effortlessly pulverizes fruits, vegetables into amazing smoothies. It doesn't leave chunks of fruit and ice and no noisy like traditional blenders. Rechargeable and portable. The USB juicer cup comes equipped with a built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery that can be easily charged by power bank, laptop, computer, mobile phones or other USB devices. Easy and safe cleaning. It has smart safety protection device, magnetic sensing switch ultra safe to use and clean. The juicer cup's body and bottom can be separated, you can easy to clean it. Number 1. Personal blender with travel lid. Sleek design. The modern, streamlined design of this personal, single-serve blender will look great in your kitchen and complement any decor. Easy to use. This powerful blender only requires one touch and can function completely hands-free. It is dishwasher safe too for easy cleanup. Portable. Take your shaker smoothie to go. The sports lid makes it easy to take on the road to the office, gym or class, in the car or in your bag. Compact power. Packed in this small blender is a high-powered 300-watt motor, which will crush and pulverize ice, frozen fruits, and more. Safety guaranteed. Like all Keton products, we made this with your health and safety in mind. The jar is BPA-free, and the blender is all certified. Thanks for watching video, please make sure like, share, subscribe, and comment below the comment section. Thank you.